What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video we are going to do a live build. So we're going to have an offer and we are going to promote it, making some ads for it. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so I am inside of Mob Idea and I already selected our offer for today, which we are going to focus on. So it's going to be a sweepstakes offer for this MacBook, and this sweepstake offer is for Sweden, though we are going to create some English ads just as an example. It's fittable for all platforms. It's a credit card submit sweepstakes and it has a daily cap of 10. And do we have any other information? So the payout is $23.40. It seems like there are no traffic restrictions whatsoever. And other than that, there's not a whole lot of information that we need. This is the offer, all in Swedish, just a opt-in form. And today we are going to create a campaign inside of Propeller Ads. So I'm going to press Create Campaign. And let's get started. So first I'm going to give my campaign a name. So that's going to be Sweden Sweepstakes MacBook. And we are going to focus on push notification. Just the classic push. CPA goal is fine with me. So here we would put our target URL. I'm just going to put in a random one for now. And then we are going to create our creatives, starting with creative 1, obviously. So let me open Canva so that we can get the right dimensions in. That's going to be 360 by 240 for the main image. So custom size 360 by 240. There we go. And we also need a logo, which is going to be 192 by 192. Alright, here we go. So for the logo, it's pretty simple. I just want a Apple logo. So let's see if we can find a nice one. I like this one. I like it because there's some color in there. Although I like this one as well. A little bit more professional. So maybe we should split test them. What is happening? Alright, let's get back in there. Alright. So there we go. That's gonna be 1. We're waiting for the ability to download. There we go. And you know what? Let's create another one. Let's split test these. This is a dope one as well. Let's see. Save image. And let's get that in there as well. That's going to be this one. There we go. Download that as well. Alright, so we have 2 logos. We can split test those, so that's pretty good. Let's start with the first one. That looks all fine. Alright, so we have our logo. Awesome. Cool. Now we just need our main image. So let's look for a MacBook. What is the newest MacBook that there is right now? Newest MacBook is the Apple MacBook 2020. Makes sense, I guess. MacBook 2020. Images. All right. Let's see. So we can do a couple of different varieties on this ad. So one of the varieties is very simple, something like this. I do want something a little bit more popping, So maybe we can find a nice image, not this one. I do like this one though. So what I like about this one, it's a setting which is quite normal. It's not a stock picture, but it's at someone's home, it looks like. But the laptop really pops out. One, because of the rest is kind of out of focus and the laptop isn't. And two, the screen of the laptop is very bright and thus pops out of the background. So I'm going to use this picture for our first creative. There we go. That looks beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, here we go. Gonna drop that in. And we are going to create a title and a description. Let's start with the title. Get your MacBook 2020 for free. Enter now and you might win a brand new. Nope, that's not gonna fit. Let's see. Enter now and get your free MacBook. Alright, cool. Let's preview that to see what it would look like. Oh, we already have the preview here. So we have get your MacBook 2020 for free. Enter now and get your MacBook for free. That looks pretty dope. What I don't really like is right here we have the full image and right here it's kind of cut out. So maybe we need to crop this. No, it looks alright. Otherwise it would be more like this. No, I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't get it. But okay, whatever. I assume that it's okay. Let's create another creative, and we are gonna use the different logo just to split test these. So in a real split test, what I would recommend to do if you really want to know which icon in this case is working better is create the exact same ad. So the same image, the same title, the same description. So the only thing different on this ad is the icon, right? So we have this one right here with the colored Apple logo. And then we have this one with the sort of fire Apple logo. And this is how you do a real split test. Because now, if I gather some data and I notice that one of the two is working better, then I know, okay, that's all because of that icon, right? So there's no headlines, difference in headlines. There's no difference in the main image. So if there's any difference in the data, it's all due to the logo. So this is a perfect way to do a split test. Let's create another creative, and for this one we're going to look for a different image and maybe a different angle. I do want the same icon. There we go. The colored one, that's fine. And I'm going to look for a MacBook 2020 winner. I hope we get some results on that, but let's take a look. Go ahead, Google, you can search. Apparently he cannot. Let's try that again. Alright. Let's see. So this looks like a winner, but they're not too happy. And I don't see a MacBook. But that was kind of what I was looking for. Happy with MacBook. I usually Google the most random terms and just look around basically. So I do like this picture, even though it's quite a stock picture. There's not a whole lot of color difference though. So that's what I don't really like about it. So maybe we do have something else. Let's continue to look. Maybe pretty girl with MacBook. Let's see what that gives us. Also not really the results I was looking for. MacBook contest. Win a MacBook. Not a whole lot of results on these. This is a mad old MacBook. Probably an old picture or something. Okay, so I can't really find the images that I'm looking for, so let's go back to the MacBook 2020. Here we go. And we're just gonna scroll a little bit. This is actually a Dutch TV program about tech stuff, so I'm not gonna use this, or I might. You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's just get it in there. Since it's an example anyway, I'm not going to shoot this live. There we go. Let's download it. Awesome. There we go. And we're going to get that into Propeller Ads in our campaign. Awesome. You might be the next Mac. Nope, that's not going to fit. You might be the next winner. Get your MacBook 2020 today. All right, awesome. So the country obviously would be Sweden, and obviously these creatives will be all in Swedish if I was to push this live. So I would not keep it on English, I would translate it to Swedish. All right. Other than that, that looks all fine. So we created 3 different creatives, and the first 2 is really gonna tell us which icon is performing better, the colored one or the kind of flamed one. And then we have a third one as a kind of different angle, and we can build off of that and create some more creatives. But that's gonna be it for this video. So I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.